This is probably my wife's favorite video, and the reason why is I'm fixing her Jeep. She's got a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and if you know anything about those Jeeps, you know that the door handles will break. It's just a brittle plastic, and Jeep is 13 years old, so yeah, you know, I get it. What's going on, fellow fixers? I'm Jeremy, and I'm a fixer. This is a channel all about helping you fix and maintain your home so you can help others do the same. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to pop this panel off. There's really not too many videos on YouTube showing exactly the steps on how to repair these. There's an aftermarket kit you can get. I will link it down below as usual. I'm going to get in so much trouble for saying this. But, you know, it's the old adage that I tell my wife, listen, I told you I'm going to fix your Jeep door. You don't have to remind me every 6 months. It's probably been 6 months since I've had this part. I just haven't done the fix yet. So like I said, that's why I said she's probably going to like this video the best out of all the ones I've ever done. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the kit that I got, and I don't even remember how much it was off of Amazon, but I'll link it below. Alright, first thing you want to do is just take a screwdriver, and there's a screw right here in that center piece. There's also right here underneath the little door handle. Pull that out. There's a screw in there. Pry the door panel off, and you can start here. There's a little lip. You can get a screwdriver up underneath and literally just pry all along. And now this whole panel should come right off. Alright, so then you want to disengage this little clip right here. There you go, you just push on this tab and pull right out. Keep in mind too is that if your handle is still attached, you'll have to disengage it, and it would be sitting sort of something like this up through this hole, and then this thing would be latched onto it. So you have to pop that off and then pull it out. Alright, so you can see what you're left with here. This is why these things failed. They're just not welded on very well, and the plastic is cheap. It breaks off. So that's actually what I'm going to have to do, is go around and break all these pieces off so that this will sit right back down on there. Fixing your car door. Basically cut off just a little bit so this will sit down flush. Now, if one of these little clips gets stuck in the door, it's easier to go ahead and pop it out now. And you can reattach it here. Reattach this. So this, I'm going to try to show you, just fits down in this hole in this green latch. it's fixed, but I better go get Lindsay to make sure I don't get trapped. Just in case that door latch doesn't work. Let me go grab her. Hey, big girl. Here we go. Moment of truth. It works.
It works.
See, I told you I was gonna fix it.
Good job, Daddy. Good job.
What do you think, little girl?
She likes the camera. Say hi.
You gonna be a fixer too?
Yeah.
Alright, so that project is done. Another one checked off the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't seen this video, go check that out. Get out there and fix something, and I'll see you on the next video.